you're interested in using AI, this is just a quick 2 to 3 minute video on how to use AI to quickly create a beautiful website. Now, I don't know if this website in particular was made using AI, but a friend asked, if they wanted to make a website that looks like this, how might they approach it? And here's just some strategies that I would use. Now, if you have limited knowledge with coding, what I would do is, take some screenshots of some designs that you like, or maybe even a video, and then send it to the model of your choice. My personal favorite model right now, as of July 2025, is Claude's model. So Claude Opus 4, which is their current best model. It's great for coding. Otherwise, you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. Just kind of feed them images and be very descriptive in whatever sort of design elements you want, and that should give you a really good start. But if you do have some UI UX knowledge, I would encourage you to look into the terminology. It's really the best way to approach this, and really the best way to use AI overall is to learn. So you want to use it to enhance your current skill set. In this hero section, I noticed that the title text, there's a masked animation, so meaning that you can only see the animation through the fill of the text. At the bottom of the hero section, the edges have this sort of drip pattern. You can mention that, and this effect here is called parallax. So in the second section, this background has this sort of almost 3D effect where you scroll past it, but it moves at a slower speed compared to the rest of the content. Just kind of familiarize with this. The more you use AI, the more you learn, the more you will know what words to use. Now, if you are a little bit familiar with coding, one of the best ways you can, just start with almost a template. Now, be careful, because if you don't modify it, it will be considered, copying. So one of the best things you can do is just take a look at the page source, take this code, move it over to the code editor of your choice. In this case, I have Xcode, and just sort of play with it. Now, every website is different. Some might not let you just freely copy this, and some have, images of content that you have to have in your local files before you can just view it. But in this case, what's great about Anthropic's website is it looks really nice, and even if you just save the code out separately, you can pretty much see a full website just from the code. So this is running from my local desktop, but it's fully interactive. Everything works, including this YouTube video. And this kind of gives you a great base to kind of go in and edit and play around, or at least practice and kind of understand website design.